Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Infa Creativity. Today, we are going to make some amazing and trendy jewelry using black beads. I'm so excited to share this viral spiral bangle design that's been all over my Instagram feed. It's super easy to create, so let's get started. Take the wire and start inserting the beads one by one. You can choose any pattern you like, but I love the sleek, all-black look. It's both classy and trendy. Once you've added all the beads, just twist the ends of the wire to secure it in place. And that's it! Your viral spiral bangle is ready. Look how stunning and elegant it looks. Perfect for any occasion. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY ideas. Next, we're making a cute and super easy finger ring that you can even gift to your loved ones. For this, you'll need black seed beads, black crystal beads, mine are 6mm, and some thread. Insert one 6mm crystal bead onto the thread. Then add 6 seed beads on both sides of the crystal bead. After that, take another 6mm crystal bead and thread both sides of the thread through it. Pull it tight and repeat the process until you have the size you need. And that's it. Your beautiful, trendy ring is ready to wear or gift. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY ideas. Next is this cute flower bracelet, which looks so classy and is super easy to make. Just follow along as I do. I usually stick the thread down with tape, but it comes off too easily, so I recommend using a paper clip instead. To get started, stick the paper clip onto any hard surface. I'm using a cutting mat here. Then take the center of your thread and secure it to the mat. Insert a jump ring, and let's begin adding the beads. I'm using 6mm black beads again. First, take a black bead and insert both ends of the thread through it. Next, add 2 beads on each side of the thread. Now take a brown crystal bead to give it that flower-like look. Insert both threads through the brown bead and pull it upwards, just like I'm doing. Then, thread one side through the first 2 beads. Do the same on the other side and pull it tight. Now, take another black bead and pull both ends of the thread through it. This will form the flower. After that, insert 1 golden seed bead through both threads. Then, add 1 golden seed bead on each side and repeat the process. And there you have it, a beautiful flower bracelet. And that's it for today. We made 3 beautiful and trendy jewelry pieces: the viral spiral bangle, the cute black bead ring, and this classy flower bracelet. Do let me know in the comments which one you liked the most, or if you have any other ideas you'd like to see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.